sister.
Hello everyone and welcome to a new day. My SIM card is almost running out of batteries. Like I think there's only, not battery, storage. I think there's only like 40 minutes left in here. So I have to switch my SIM cards. God damn it, I hate it. I didn't do that in Korea. What the hell? I film so much more here or something. Anyways, it is a new day. Today is the second last day of Tokyo. If you watched the previous vlog at the end, because I literally filmed that 1 second ago. Like yesterday, as you know, I bent my ankle. I don't want to say twisted because I don't think I twisted it because I got right back up after, thank the Lord. But my ankle wasn't hurting that much, but I feel like it translated into the feeling when you get a Charlie's horse in your calves and then the Charlie horse is gone, but there's like this lingering feeling in your calves of the tension of the muscles or something. So I've been having that feeling last night, but I think it's mostly gone now. And also like my pinky toe is tired. Like she's in pain because the shoe, it crushes her in there. And it's like, what the hell? Let her breathe. Anyways, today will be a slow start of the day because we have to get packing. If you watched the previous vlog, you would know. We have to pack everything because we have to give our suitcases and luggage to the concierge by 4 p.m. today so they could ship it off to our Osaka hotel for it to arrive when we arrive there. 1 day in advance, we have to give it to them. So that's what we have to do, and I have to think about what I have to pack, and I have a lot of things to pack, and I have to think about what I need for tonight and tomorrow as we're making our way to Osaka. I'm still doing laundry right now because those clothes have to dry. I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna play on my phone. It's time to get packing, but also I just want to lie down. I don't know how I'm gonna pack my Anya figure, y'all. Y'all, the box is way too huge. It's looking like I'm gonna have to dismantle it and just put the folded box and figure in there because I refuse to be holding that for the train, for every airport ride. Because I feel like at home I'm just gonna take it out of the box and throw the box away anyways, right? The figure is probably gonna break in there, but I should have unboxed it for y'all. Sorry. It's already out of the box. At this point, I'm about to throw out this box. Cause why the hell am I just gonna have this random piece in my my suitcase? Cause I'm gonna throw out this plastic part too. So it's like, why even keep it? Anyways. What is this blue thing? Oh, it's like a calendar thing. Wow. Let's roll the dice, yeah. And here's the figure. Wow. And then I have no idea what this is. Maybe it's for the dice. And then her hat. Oh, the hat's on the bottom. Okay, future Tina, because I'm gonna throw this away. I'm gonna throw away the box. There is the day number, month. Oh, month is up here. Day number, hats. Look, y'all. This is how packed my suitcase is. Literally to the edge, to the top, and I haven't even gone to Korea yet to buy all my BTS DVDs and albums. So, not albums, I have them, just DVDs. Let's hope I don't buy that much DVDs. But my sister and I were planning anyways to buy a shared suitcase in Korea because last year we bought one in Canada and brought it to here, and it's like, why pay the $100 fee, right? If we have. So anyways, yeah. Okay everyone, and just like that we have gave our luggage to the concierge. It was an easy process. We just gave them our 3 luggages. They asked for the hotel and the reservation numbers, and then she called the Osaka hotel to confirm, and it was confirmed, and then they filled out a form. They were measuring suitcases and stuff, and then we paid 6,310 yen for it. And it was easy time. Now I have no luggage, and we don't have to bring that on to the Osaka onto the bullet train. So now I just have my backpack and my phone and stuff, and hopefully I packed everything that I needed to, because then I have to stuff everything into my backpack, which it will mainly just be my PJs for now. She said it will arrive tomorrow in the morning in Osaka, in which we will still be here. And we're probably gonna arrive much later than the luggage arriving, so that's a fun time. My OOTD, literally I wore this yesterday, and literally I'll be wearing it tomorrow, 3 days in a row. I've probably worn it, I wanna say five out of the, you know, maybe more than that, but a bunch of days so far. Yeah, see you. I don't know, some other districts you wanted to go to. Should we just get a set and call it a day? Yeah. Oh, we can just slide it.
Should we get the 100 gram or the 200 grams?
200. I don't know. It's only $10. I did 200 grams and large rice and salad. Place order. Okay, now we wait. Here it is. I almost fell as she was giving it to me. Burnt it. Okay, everyone, it's time for me to venture out on my own. And by venturing out on my own, I mean going literally across the street to the arcade while my sister takes, 10-minute max to finish her meal. But I left because I felt like I was picking up tables, but to be honest, when I was leaving, there was like 4 empty tables. I want that one. It's too far. What the hell? It didn't even grab her head. Anyway, so now what?
I gotta look at my TikTok first.
You don't even know the addresses? Shit! Oh my! I wasn't expecting you to grip. Okay, we got 6 tries, and I don't think I'm getting it. I know you would be like, Tia, why didn't you try for the Hello Kitty? I don't want Hello Kitty. I want Groovy. Shit! It just gets worse. What? Yeah. No, I made it even worse. Yes! I have 2 tries left, and if someone gets that Chrome because I did that, it's come on, come on. Ah, shit. Damn, I ruined it. 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 We're in IKEA. Plant-based ice cream. It's green. You can't see it. Okay, shall we go? Please enjoy my sister's portrait vlog while I was at the hotel laying down and playing on my phone. Good morning, everyone. It is already a new day, and yesterday we ended off at lunch, and that was literally it because after we went to the Disney store, we split off. My sister went sweating and I went home. It was great just lying down. I wish I could do it for 2 more days, but time is scarce. Anyways, today we are checking out and then going to Osaka, in which we bought our tickets, our train tickets yesterday. All the trains at 1 p.m. They weren't booked, but the trains with the sides with 2-seaters, there was a 3-seater and 2-seater rows column, and the 2-seater columns were all 1 seat left, so me and my sister can sit together. So we did literally a train 9 minutes later. Those are more empty, and we could find 2-seaters for both of us. Anyways, it's time for me to get ready and start cleaning up. And it'll be a good time because, as you know, we do not have our luggage. It's already in Osaka, actually, because I have an air tag in it, and I think it's already at the hotel. Look at this. I literally used the whole bottle of this deodorant spray. I'm gonna miss you. I hope the next hotel has this, but I doubt they will. The next hotel does not have a laundry machine. Train is coming soon. We bought a lot of food in the stores before going in the barrier, because after the barrier there's a lot of stores still. We ate some already. My sister ate 2 pastries. I ate 1 pastry and some chicken rice thing. There was a lot of things though, but there's only so many things we can eat. Oh, it's loud. Bye. Wow. So much more leg room compared to the bullet train in Korea. Oh,
5 cheese bread.
I was from the convenience store 5 years ago. Cheese bread. I go fast.
That's my taco.
Oh, it's dripping. There was many choices and I ended up getting this one. Now I kind of regret getting the one without an egg.
Yeah, the egg one was good.
Yeah. Donut things, twisted donut. This drink. Yeah. And a chocolate croissant.
Osaka Station from May 19th to
Hey everyone, we have finally arrived to Osaka. We checked out at 11 at the other hotel and it is currently 4:20 p.m. First it took us 30 minutes from our hotel to Tokyo Station. So we arrived at like 11:30-ish, I guess. But our train was at 1 p.m. because we wanted to give some time in case we were lost and in case we had to buy stuff. Which I think we spent most of the 1 hour and a half being productive. Like we didn't spend a big portion just waiting for the train, you know? So anyways, the train was at 1:10 and the train ride was around 2.5 hours because when it finished, I believe it was like 3:20 something. But yeah, literally all I did on the train was watch and Amanda the Adventurer gameplay because I keep seeing it on TikTok and I wanted to know, you know, what's the game, how's the game gonna go, how's the game gonna go. So I just searched up a random gameplay by a YouTuber I did not know. But I did see his clips on TikTok. Anyways, and then after that I literally just listened to music and girl, I was falling asleep, but I did not sleep. But when we were at the train station, I noticed a few differences. One of them was Tokyo, you stand on the left side of the escalator, and Osaka, you stand on the right side, which I'm used to, Toronto. I don't remember what the second difference was, but there was one, and I know I was gonna say it. Anyways, doesn't matter, maybe I'll think of it later. Let me give you guys a room tour. This room is smaller than the Tokyo one, because the Tokyo one was like a double, and this one's like a standard, I think. So let me show you guys. Here we are, the door. Here we enter our suitcases, which they put in our rooms for us because it was transferred from the other hotel and we didn't have to drag that onto the train. Here it is again. The closet space, kind of similar to the other hotel, just smaller, and they also have a deodorant spray. Wow. That's a fun time, how they have deodorant sprays in Japanese hotels. That's a fun time. What's different about this hotel though is the other hotel, you put your key card in something so the power turns on. This one does not have that. Anyways, let's walk on in. Here is a mirror. Cheese. Here is humidifier. I did not use a humidifier from the other hotel. Here is the washroom. It's giving more of a yellow vibe compared to the other hotel. The washroom toilet is pretty much the same. Here we have your, both the hotels had free toothbrushes and it comes with a tiny toothpaste, which honestly we stand. Hairbrush, wow. And a shaver, wow. Soap, yada yada, yada yada. Yeah. We go on in, and here we have a TV. This garbage desk. Both hotels had this. I'm not sure what that is about. Maybe people want to do their makeup with that or something. There's a hairdryer here. Here we have, I believe, is a tea set and coffee machine. Because this hotel does not have a kitchen or laundry machine, but the other hotel did. And this is your fridge. Wow. Here's my view. Wow. I wonder if they can see me like this. The bed, one pillow. And here is the control panel for the lights and the alarm. And that's pretty much it. Do they not have air conditioning here? Oh, they do. Air conditioning. It's too low. And that's pretty much it for the room tour. I'll see you guys later, because we will go out soon. It's currently raining right now, though. Another difference between Osaka and Tokyo, and to be honest, it might just be this area, because I've only been here for like, what, not even an hour yet. But in Tokyo, literally, no matter how small the street is, no matter how long the wait is, no matter how empty the street is, they will not jaywalk at a crossing lights. In Osaka though, it's only been a small street so far. I don't think they'll do a big street because obviously there'll be cars, but there was no cars coming from one side of the intersection, which was kind of a small intersection, kind of like the road was kind of like, you know, going into a neighborhood or something, but it said stop, but a whole group of people just jaywalked. So I was like, whoa, it's different here. In New York though, it felt like a whole group jaywalked a big ass street. They would always just jaywalk. That's what I had to say. See ya. I have no idea where we are. They're gonna judge us for McDonald's.
Ew, what is this chicken? Oh, they only have this in Japan. They definitely don't have it in Toronto. I got the red pepper one. We get cheddar. Pour it in. Ooh. Smells spicy.
Yeah, it's not here.
Oh yeah.
It smells.
Yeah, I know. And then you have to open here. Just open here. Oop.
Whoa.
Wow.
Wow. What flavor is this? Is this teriyaki?
No. I'm good.
Hey everyone, we're back. I think I have a blister on my pinky toe. I thought it was my toenail poking into it, but I looked at it, it looks like a blister. It looks like a big ass air bubble that's painful. I wish I could show you guys, but I don't want that side of me on the internet. Anyways, I hope it pops overnight because I don't want to deal with this. Like, I don't remember the last time I had a blister. Maybe when I was like a child. Anyways, let me give you guys a haul. As you guys saw, we went to this one district. I already forgot the name. Apologies, but you guys saw the. And also when we were there, I literally saw a whole group of people jaywalk a 4-lane street. Either 4-lane or 3-lane, but still, there's 2 ways. I was shook. You'd never see that in Tokyo. Maybe it was the nighttime, that's why. Anyways, so we were at that district. It was like maybe 7 p.m.-ish. And a bunch of things were closed for a few restaurants. So it went to McDonald's. Moving forward. And then we went to a tax-free shop that was down the road. And my sister got all these stuff, as you remember, tax-free stuff. If you want them to be tax-free, they lock up your stuff in a bag. I can't show you guys them individually, but just so you can see here, I got these end of the ice cream cone snack things. I've always wanted to try them. My sister got a bunch of Kit Kats, milk tea Kit Kats, or milk tea and matcha. She got Pocky again, almond Pocky. She got this hair mask thing that she saw on TikTok. And my sister also got this dark circle cream. Both a full size and a smaller bottle size. I don't know what the term is. Anyways, that's pretty much it. That store. Then we headed down to the that store. And she got this sunscreen here that she also found on TikTok that was popular. She told me to tell you guys something about this sunscreen, but I already forgot. I don't remember. Maybe something about it being rare or something. I don't remember. Anyways, this is foundation. Did I say sunscreen? This is foundation. And she also got this eyeshadow palette. Yep. And that was basically it. So I'll see you guys later. It's time for me to start planning things for tomorrow, which is literally the same exact outfit I've worn before for tomorrow. I can't tell if that bumping thing is someone next door telling me to shut up. But I'll see you guys later. Bye. I'll see you tomorrow. See ya. See ya. See ya. Sorry, this was a very uneventful vlog, but it's like, what can I do?
This is more than a crash, more than a like, more than a lie. Baby, I'ma make you mine, and I ain't giving up. This is more than a crash, more than a like, more than a lie. Baby, I'ma make you mine, and I ain't giving up. Don't run away, don't run away from the truth, 'cause I'm not giving up on you. Don't run away from the truth, 'cause I'm not giving up on you.